How to convert portrait video to landscape in Capcut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut. Import the video. Then, at the bottom, scroll to the left and you will find ratio. Click on ratio. Simply choose 16:9 as landscape ratio is 16:9. Then press on tick mark at the bottom. After that, you will find black screen at the side. What you can do is scroll to the left more again and click on canvas. After you've clicked on canvas, simply click on blur. You can add blur effect and your black background will be turned off. You can select any blur you want and then press on tick mark. And you're good to go. This is how to convert portrait video to landscape in Capcut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.